Hello, my dears. Arrogance is strongly condemned in Islam. This feeling of superiority, of looking down upon others, is something we are warned against on multiple occasions in the Holy Quran. In chapter 31, verse number 18, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, He does not like the self deluded and boastful people. This verse reminds us that arrogance is nothing but a form of self delusion. You see, we walk on the earth by the grace of our Creator, so there is no room for any kind of pride in our hearts. Arrogance blinds us from recognizing our own shortcomings, and it blocks the connection between us and the Creator. And it creates a distance between us and others as well. Sadly, today's materialistic world often nurtures arrogance within us without even us realizing it. So remember, when we look down upon others based on caste, creed, culture, religion, intellect, or any other reason, we are in essence giving in to arrogance. So we must strive for humility and remember that true greatness belongs to nobody but the one who created you and me. Assalamu alaikum.